Welcome to my new Guitar-Nerdery episode. The rhythm guitar exercise I want to show you today is called the rhythm pyramid, to learn to get the tempo right when you change note values. The exercise goes as follows. Set the metronome to an easy tempo, not too fast. I'm gonna set it to 100 BPM. Choose an easy chord for your left hand. It's not a left hand exercise. Your foot has to tap along with the metronome in fourth the whole time. And you also have to speak along. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Together with the metronome and together with your foot. Do not speak quietly. You really have to do it. And with this all together, you start counting in. And you're gonna play straight fourth for 2 bars with downstrokes. Then you switch to fourth triplets for 2 bars, downstrokes. Then you switch to straight eighth, you alternate. Then you switch to eighth triplets. Then you switch to 16th notes. Then you go back to eighth triplets, to straight eighths, to fourth triplets, to straight fourth, and no stopping in between. You have to go the whole way through. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 of many good exercises to get your rhythm in tip-top shape. Finally, if you really learn to hate this exercise, but you like the video, please like and subscribe and leave a comment, and see you next time.